How to enable safe browsing on your Chrome browser on computer. So I'm using the window 10. So the Chrome browser is the same, has same setting for all windows. So I'll show you how you can enable it, the safe browsing, and where you can find the safe browsing option in your Chrome browser. So okay, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser, guys. So here I am on my Chrome browser, and in order to turn on safe browsing, just click on this three dot option, go to the settings. Under setting, go to the privacy and security, and just find out the security option. Here you can see this is safe browsing. By default is a standard protection. Under the standard protection, you can see the all the benefits. You can read like standard protection against the website, download extension about the detect the warm you the about dangerous event they often. Okay, we can also on this to warm you the if password or export in data breach. You can also help the improve security on web from everyone. You can enable it. If you don't want to protection, just click on it, will be the protection will be disabled. And this is, I don't always use a secure site. This is a HTTPS site. Okay, upgrade navigation to one before loading site that doesn't support it. Okay, so if you want to use the HTTP site which is don't have the security certificate like SSL certificate, they also view without notification you if you on it. Okay, but this is I recommend don't do this. Use secure DNS. Okay, this DNS kind of website. Okay, this is by default setting, but if you want to enhance or improve your safe browsing, you can enhance it, and it will be give the more protection and more predicts and more safe browsing. Okay, so you can enable it like from standard to enhance. Okay, and just come back. I use standard only. If you want to enhance your protection, just click on it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.